Boyfriend ng 299 engagement ring issue. Sumagot na?
Hello everyone, ako yung guy behind the engagement ring issue. I created this account to stay anonymous and for privacy na rin for both of us.
Sa totoo lang guys dudang-duda ako, which I believe na parang gawa-gawa lang.
We'll delete this account soon. And it hurts a lot for me na feeling ko hindi niya na-appreciate yung effort ko for her.
Mukhang hindi talaga sila magkakilala pa. Marami pang bagay na dapat kilalanin pa nila yung isa't isa.
And you won't believe ang totoong dahilan kung bakit niya nagawang magbigay lang ng 299 pesos worth na engagement ring.
Sobrang dami kong struggles and responsibilities sa buhay. Pinapaaral ko pa yung bunso namin. To be honest, meron naman ako pambili ng ring na nagre-range ng 4 digits.
Pinapaaral ka pa pala, may struggle pa sa family mo. Bakit ka gagawa ng panibagong pamilya kung struggle ng family mo is nire-resolve mo pa lang?
Sobrang sakit lang po sa part ko na may mga negative reactions na kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan. Hindi nyo po ako kilala at hindi ko rin kayo kilala.
Pinedepend nyo pa yung guy. Or you guys are promoting that women should settle for less.
Iba-iba po tayo ng pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Para sa akin, love doesn't have price.
Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk Darbs, ang pambansang issue analyzer ng Pilipinas, wherein I'm trying to influence you how to think critically about sa mga recent viral social issues ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. Today, we're gonna be talking about another continuation of an issue patungkol sa 299 engagement ring na issue. Dahil di umano ay sumagot na ang boyfriend na ito.
We'll delete this account soon. And it hurts a lot for me na feeling ko hindi niya na-appreciate yung effort ko for her.
Totoo nga ba na ang tunay na boyfriend ang sumagot sa isang social media post? O baka gawa-gawa lang ng tao para umingay pa rin ang issue? Kung sakali, tama nga ba ang naging desisyon ng boyfriend sa issue na ito? And of course, what are the things that we may be able to learn from this kind of situation? Let's find out. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng issue, tungkol ito sa isang anonymous sender na nakatanggap ng 299 pesos lang na worth of engagement ring sa kanyang boyfriend. Now, kung sakaling hindi mo alam ang issue na to kasi hindi ka chismosa at maliban sa ibang nanonood ngayon, you can check the summary of my videos here para updated ka sa mga details and information about this specific topic. Now, going back, nag-viral sa TikTok last Sunday, January 7, ang alleged reply ng boyfriend sa issue. Ito ang user na si @engagement.ring.issue. And as of the time that I'm recording this video, his post garnered almost 2.5 million views. Now, allow me to give you some highlights nito para naman, di ba, nangangati kang chismosa ka, kailangan mo talagang malaman. So, bibigay natin sa iyo yan. Basically, it's a series of screenshots ng pictures sa notes ng lalaki. On the first note, ang sabi niya,
Hello everyone, ako yung guy behind the engagement ring issue. I created this account to stay anonymous and for privacy na rin for both of us. We'll delete this account soon. And it hurts a lot for me na feeling ko hindi niya na-appreciate yung effort ko for her. Is it really matter about the price ng engagement ring? Take note, engagement ring, not wedding ring. Ako po yung breadwinner ng family namin.
he also said na may pambili naman daw talaga siya. Pero,
sobrang dami kong struggles and responsibilities sa buhay. Pinapaaral ko pa yung bunso namin. To be honest, meron naman ako pambili ng ring na nagre-range ng 4 digits. Pero due to the struggles and responsibilities ko sa life, yung ring na yun muna ang napili ko for her. And para sa akin, yun ang promise ring ko sa kanya na siya ang pakakasalan ko at makakasama ko for the rest of my life.
he also admit na hindi niya in-expect ang ginawa ng girlfriend niya.
Hindi ko ine-expect na ganun na magiging reaksyon niya. And pinost niya pa sa Facebook group na hindi ko maintindihan bakit niya pa ginawa yun. Kung pwede naman niya akong kausapin. Kung hindi pa nag-trending, hindi ko malalaman to the point na pati mga social media influencer nag-react na sila.
On the fourth note, dito pinagtanggol niya ang kanyang sarili sa mga bashers.
Sobrang sakit lang po sa part ko na may mga negative reactions na kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan. Hindi nyo po ako kilala at hindi ko rin kayo kilala. Iba-iba po tayo ng pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kung para sa inyo po is napaka-cheap ko, well, naintindihan po kayo doon. Baka nga naman po kasi pinanganak kayo na may gold spoon nyo. Para sa akin, love doesn't have price.
Bukod dito, sa last note, nagpasalamat pa siya sa kanyang girlfriend.
Really hurts a lot. Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin po ako sa ginawa niyang pag-post about that. Naging eye-opener po yun sa akin to broke up with her and i-cancel ang wedding plan. Kung doon pa lang po sa cheap ring price, nagreklamo, what about the long run? Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga sumang-ayon sa side ko, even hindi nyo po ako kilala or alam ang story, pati na rin po sa inyong mga gold spoon.
Now, because of this, naka-receive ito ng libo-libong reactions mula sa mga netizens. Gaya na lamang ni,
The fact na he broke up with the girl agad-agad and didn't even try to understand her side means na di pa talaga ready yung guy to settle.
Sa context mo, sir, it seems like hindi ka pa nga ready mag-settle. You did the right thing. Set her free so that she can be available sa taong mas ready na.
Nax, pero naka-iPhone. Sana all.
Now, sa ngayon, we can't really confirm if this is really the actual boyfriend or if there was actually an issue about the engagement ring itself. Dahil wala naman talaga tayong solid proof. Maraming nagsasabi na ginawa lang ito just for them to get more views. So, what are the 3 things that we may be able to learn from this kind of situation? Number 1, don't just settle. I would like to inform everyone that more than the engagement or the wedding, ang iyong pinaghahandaan ay iyong marriage itself. I could definitely see that there are still aspects sa buhay nila na kailangan mag-mature. Guys, remember, hindi kayo mauubusan ng mamahalin. And you need to have standards and you should never break them. Number 2, there is a need for clarity. Sa side ni girl, there is an engagement ring. Pero sa side daw ng lalaki it's a promise ring. Dito pa lang, nagkaroon na ng misunderstanding at nangangailangan ng clarity. Mga kapatid, applicable ito sa lahat ng aspeto, lalong-lalo na sa relasyon. Remember that the beauty of clarity in a relationship is that it eliminates doubts and it nurtures trust. Imagine, may iwasan nito kung sana naging open lang din sila sa plano ng isa't isa patungkol sa relasyon. Number 3, huwag agad maniwala. Ito na naman tayo. While we understand that we people loves hearing 2 sides of the story, gusto ko lang din ipaalala sa inyo na walang kasiguraduhan kung totoong galing talaga ito sa boyfriend na tinutukoy ng anonymous sender. And this is the reason why I made this video, that don't be too quick to trust what you see. Even salt looks like sugar. So moral of the story, bago ka magtiwala, tikman mo muna. Joke. Real talk. Since we're not sure kung siya ba talaga ito, let's just assume na maybe it's true, maybe it's not. Sa totoo lang, kung hindi sa iPhone sinulat itong response niya, maniniwala na sana ako na the best niya na yung 299. But since nanggaling na rin sa kanya na marami pa siyang struggles and responsibilities sa life, mas mabuti nga sigurong wag muna silang magpakasal. Because clearly, meron pa siyang ibang priorities sa buhay. However, I appreciate din naman na gusto niya lang talagang i-assure yung girlfriend niya. The intention was good, but sometimes the road to good intentions doesn't reach the destination that we hope for. Now, this is where I realized not all good intentions lead to good outcome. Rather, teaches us valuable lessons. Maraming lessons itong issue na ito mula sa pagpili ng partner and how it is important to have good communication with your partner, and lastly, verifying before believing. Sana kung walang sapat na pruweba, huwag na nating ikalat dahil binibigyan lang natin ng oras ang bagay na imbes makatulong nakakagulo pa. And the only reason why I really tackled this issue is just to really send you that kind of message na sana wag agad tayong maniwala, lalong-lalo na kung walang pruweba. Ang dami kasing nagtatag sa akin about this issue. What's scary is that those people who tag me or send me the links really believes that it was really the guy. Walang inclination of even doubt that this might be a fake news. And that's the reason why I am sharing this kind of topic with you right now, just to send you that kind of message. Huwag ka agad maniwala. Remember, not every problem needs an audience, and not every battle is worth fighting, and not every issue is worth sharing.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay